Okay, so a couple of my friends told me they didn't really understand how to read candlestick charts, so I'm just gonna show you all a little basic video. It shouldn't take too long. Um, but okay, so I use white and black, but white is the same thing as green, and black is the same thing as red. It's just my preference, whatever, right? So you have for bullish candlesticks, you have the open, high, low, close, right? So it's gonna be your opening price, your high, your low, and your close. So it looks complicated, but it's really just 4 points. So what it's saying is that basically speaking, let's say this was the 1 minute chart and this is the 2 o'clock candle. So what it means that at 2 o'clock, right? So price starts here. It most likely made the low first, pushed up, and ended here. It doesn't have to be exact like this. It could be any one of these combinations like this, this. It'd be way more complicated, right? Um, like that. Could have been like this, could have been like anything, right? So all that matters is that the open is the same, right? The open, the low, the high, and the close, right? So that all lines up. So this one's on a green candlestick, a bullish candlestick. And what it's saying is that at the open, so the opening time for a 2 o'clock candle would be this. So 2 minutes, 0 seconds. At the close, it would be 2 minutes, 0 seconds, 59. So right before the next minute starts, that's when the candle closes. So it's open, close, right? And then the high and the low could be formed anytime between these two times to make sense. So for a bearish candlestick, you just invert this. So what I could do is I can basically delete all this, make this a darker colored, which would be represented by the red, um, something like this, right? So then all you would do is just switch to close in the open. So now price started here and ended up here at the end of the minute. So the actual price would be this. I'm just gonna equal this out so you can see it. Mhm. And make this one equal. So price took any one of these paths. It could be multiple ones, but it started here, went up there, went down here, ended up here at the end of the minute, right? Or it could have, I mean, like I said, it could have done any one of these. Could have went like this, 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 this. Right. So regardless, within that minute, this one of the I mean, it could have anything as long as it within these bounds. It made the high here, the low here, and it started here and had to end somewhere around here. Or it had to end right here, exactly, according to this candlestick. So it's just showing what path price took. All right. So it simplifies it. So you don't have to solve all this on your chart. It's just this represents all of this. Right. That's just pretty much the basics of that. So go look at the live chart example right now. So these are just the 1 minute chart, right? So for this one, price started here, didn't even make a low, like straight up went up, made the high, stopped here. For this one, price started here, made a small high, went down here, made a small low, then stopped right here. For this one, price started here, pushed up, pushed down, stopped right there. For this one, price is right here, pushed up, it is pushing down, made a low, stopped right here. And you can see this one right here, look. So it'll be white if price closes above its open. So let's see how it's below open, above the open, right? So this is the open right here. This is the low. This is the close. This is the high. Just watch it form, right? I mean, it's pretty basic. It's just showing you what price did. So using this, you could see what price is mostly done in a much cleaner version of just using the line chart. And also, if you were to use the regular line chart, you'd have to choose, it'd be using the closing price only. but this one gives you more data to work with. Candles, you can see the open, high, low, and close. So you can see like here, price is pushed down, right? But buyers bought it up and we reversed. It doesn't work like that all the time, but it's just an example, right? And that's pretty much candlesticks. Your job is to buy low, sell high. Um, I gave y'all methods in the last one, but this is pretty much a basic example. And yeah.